Hi guys! Welcome to the vlog. Nakapunta na ba kayo here in our isla? Kung hindi pa, this vlog is for you. Samahan niyo kong i-admire ang ganda ng isla namin.
First, I will show you and i-admire natin ang isa sa beautiful spot here in our isla na kadalasang tinatambayan ng mga bisita or people na pumupunta dito sa isla namin. What we call the bato. Malaking bato na nahati sa dalawa, may mga alamat ang bato na ito. Nakakatakot tignan sa baba, but if nasa taas ka na, maa-amaze ka talaga. We should be careful kasi baka madulas or may ahas. Make sure na alam nyo kung saan kayo aapak. Baka kasi mahulog kayo sa maling tao. Char!
A few moments later.
And now, we are here! We can hear singing birds and leaves na sumasabay sa simoy ng hangin. We can see different kind of houses. Ang ganda ng view, right? Here, you can spend your time alone. Spend your time with your friends and lover. The fresh air and beautiful view can release your stress. If you want to have peace of mind, I recommend this place. Second is the rice field and cassava trees. It shows different kind of plant of Filipinos. The color green represents the peace of nature. New beginnings start small but grow strong. Breathe in the fresh air and feel the sun's warmth on your skin. And lastly, ang dagat dito. Syempre, di mawawala. Malinaw and safe maligo. Pwede rin mag-night swimming. It's more fun to swim if you're with your friends because may enjoy nyo ang lamig lalo na kapag may foods kayo. And I'm proud for being magsaysayanan.